I'm Blake Collins. I'm the Director of Clinical Engineering at Christiana Care in Delaware. Our technicians would call around and try to find the best part that they could, the best price. Typically that ended up just being straight to the manufacturer. Obviously they're not always the best choice for the parts or the best price, so it really was not conducive to good business operations. I take that to my superiors and I show them the amount of money that we're able to save on a quarterly and annual basis. I also give it to my purchasing department, who's not in my direct chain of authority or responsibility, and let them know that this was the savings that we were able to do, because by us using PartsSource, I actually freed up their resources to do other things, because we're going directly to you versus going through my purchasing department. The partnership piece, I think, comes into when we have a need, we have a problem, we need something out of the norm, how you guys will help us with that. I appreciate that. If you're a patient and you come to the hospital and you have a serious illness and the machine that you need to get treated on is not working, you're not comforted by that. So PartsSource being able to supply me the parts on a timely basis, or the depot repairs, etc., is what allows me to, and my technicians, to provide that equipment uptime and service reliability.